أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. وأصحاب اليمين ما أصحاب اليمين في سدر مخضود وطلح منضود وظل ممدود وماء مسكوب وفاكهة كثيرة لا مقطوعة ولا ممنوعة وفرش مرفوعة إنا أنشأناهن إن شاء فجعلناهن أبكارا عربا أترابا لأصحاب اليمين ثلة من الأولين وثلة من الآخرين.
The companions of the right. What are the companions of the right? They will be among lote trees with thorns removed, and banana trees layered with fruit and shade extended, and water poured out and fruit abundant and varied, neither limited to season nor forbidden, and upon beds raised high. Indeed, we have produced the women of paradise in a new creation, and made them virgins, devoted to their husbands, and of equal age, for the companions of the right, who are a company of the former peoples and a company of the later peoples.
قل أي شيء أكبر شهادة قل الله شهيد بيني وبينكم وأوحي إلي هذا القرآن لأنذركم به ومن بلغ أئنكم لتشهدون أن مع الله آلهة أخرى قل لا أشهد قل إنما هو إله واحد وإنني بريء مما تشركون.
Say, O Muhammad, what thing is the most great in witness? Say, Allah, the most great, is witness between me and you. This Quran has been revealed to me that I may therewith warn you and whomsoever it may reach. Can you verily bear witness that besides Allah there are other Aliha, gods? Say, I bear no such witness. Say, but in truth He, Allah, is the only one ilah, God. And truly I am innocent of what you join in worship with Him.